Hello, my dear students, friends, colleagues. Welcome to Vijay Tutorial. Again, I have brought a small tense chart for you, and in this tense chart, you can see the sentence transformation from one type to other. And there are three basic tenses, and there are four subparts. So, this way, if you do practice, your tense will be clear. So, I have brought the verb awake. Awake means जागना. So I awake, मैं जागता हूँ. I don't awake, मैं नहीं जागता हूँ. Do I awake, क्या मैं जागता हूँ. Do I not awake, क्या मैं नहीं जागता हूँ. I awoke, मैं जागा था. I did not awake, मैं नहीं जागा था. Did I awake, क्या मैं जागा था. Did I not awake, क्या मैं नहीं जागा था. I shall awake, मैं जागूंगा. I shall not awake, मैं नहीं जागूंगा. Shall I awake, क्या मैं जागूंगा. Shall I not awake, क्या मैं नहीं जागूंगा. This is indefinite part. Now beginning of continuous. I am awaking, मैं जाग रहा हूँ. I am not awaking, मैं नहीं जाग रहा हूँ. Am I awaking, क्या मैं जाग रहा हूँ. Am I not awaking, क्या मैं नहीं जाग रहा हूँ. So this way we can do here. Am I not awaking, क्या मैं नहीं जाग रहा हूँ. I was awaking, मैं जाग रहा था. I was not awaking, मैं नहीं जाग रहा था. Was I awaking, क्या मैं जाग रहा था. Was I not awaking, क्या मैं नहीं जाग रहा था. I shall be awaking, मैं जाग रहा होऊंगा. I shall not be awaking, मैं जाग नहीं रहा होऊंगा. Shall I be awaking, क्या मैं जाग रहा होऊंगा. Shall I not be awaking, क्या मैं जाग नहीं रहा होऊंगा. So this is continuous part, present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Now perfect. I have awoken, मैं जाग चुका हूँ. I have not awoken, मैं नहीं जाग चुका हूँ. Have I awoken, क्या मैं जाग चुका हूँ. Have I not awoken, क्या मैं नहीं जाग चुका हूँ. I had awoken, मैं जाग चुका था. I had not awoken, मैं नहीं जाग चुका था. Had I awoken, क्या मैं जाग चुका था. Had I not awoken, क्या मैं नहीं जाग चुका था. I shall have awoken, मैं जाग चुका होऊंगा. I shall have awoken, मैं जाग चुका होऊंगा. I shall not have awoken, मैं नहीं जाग चुका होऊंगा. Shall I have awoken, क्या मैं जाग चुका होऊंगा. Shall I not have awoken, क्या मैं नहीं जाग चुका होऊंगा. So next we will begin its next part, and that's going to be future continuous. So continuous, perfect continuous, right. I have been awaking, मैं कुछ समय पहले से जाग रहा हूँ. When do we use perfect continuous? When an activity started some time earlier and it's still going on, then we use. I have been awaking, I have not been awaking, have I been awaking, have I not been awaking. I had been awaking, I had not been awaking, I had been awaking, had I not been awaking. I shall have been awaking, I shall not have been awaking, shall I have been awaking, shall I not have been awaking. So this way you can transform these sentences. So dear students, this way you can strengthen your tense part, and you will come to know how to transform these sentences and how to use tense in your daily life as well. Thank you.